Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn VLOOKUP with match function. That is, we will combine both VLOOKUP and match function in this video. So VLOOKUP function stands for vertical lookup and it always looks for a value which is in leftmost column of a table. And if you want detailed explanation of VLOOKUP function, you can watch the video given in I button. And match function is used to locate the position of a lookup value. That is, if you have a data and if you want to find out a particular value from that data, then you can use match function, which will provide you the result that in that row number your data is located, your lookup value is located. And here we are using both the functions together because in VLOOKUP column index number is a static value. It means that the column number which we use to type in VLOOKUP function is a static value, that is, it won't change. Even though if you change your values in that particular column, then also your column number won't change. And that is why here we need to use match function with VLOOKUP function so that we can get accurate answers. And so let us first understand VLOOKUP function and understand why it is not a dynamic function. So here, if I want to find out my customer's name with the help of my order ID, then I will use equal to VLOOKUP, and here my lookup value would be my order ID because I want to find out my order ID from my given data, and here my table array would be my table, that is from A4 to F44, and then comma. So here I need to type the column number. So here I am finding my customer's name and my customer name is in column number 2. So that is why here I will type 2 for column index number and then comma, and then here I will type false for exact match and then press enter. So here I got my answer as Joy, which is here. This order ID number which is here. And now if I want to add another column before my customer name, then I can simply add with the help of control plus key, and if I type anything here like date of order, and now if I want to find out my customer name, so here as you can see that I got my answer as 0, but here I need my customer's name which is Joy, but as I have inserted another column before my customer's name, I got my answer as 0. Or if I type any date here, like so, here I got my answer as my date, but here I need my customer name. So that is why we need to use VLOOKUP function with match function, because if I add any column before my customer names column, then my answer will change according to that column number, because now my column number 2 is of date of order. And so here we need to use VLOOKUP and match function simultaneously so that we can get accurate answers for our data, because here my column number is static, that is 2. Even though I have changed my customer's name column which is 3 now, but still my formula is taking my column number as 2. So that is why we need to use both the functions together. Now let's use VLOOKUP and match function together, but before that let us understand match function with the help of a simple example. Equal to match, like I want to find out the order ID of 1 4 times 0 2 3 3 4, equal to match, my lookup value is this and my lookup array is this, then comma, exact match. I will type 0 for exact match and then press enter. So here I got my answer as 10, which means that my order ID, which is 100002334, is in row number 10, which is here. Joy, that is 4 times 0 2334. And here if I change my order ID to 2336, then my answer will change automatically with the help of match function. So now let us use VLOOKUP and match function together. Equal to VLOOKUP, my lookup value is my order ID, and then my table array is this, that is from A4 to F44, and then freeze it with the help of F4 key, and then again comma, my column index number. Now for my column index number I am using match function. Equal to match lookup value. Here my lookup value is my customer name, then comma lookup array. Here my lookup array is this array, that is from A4 to F4, and then again freeze it with the help of F4 key. Here F0 for exact match and then close the bracket and then comma. So here I will type false or 0 for exact match for my VLOOKUP function and then press enter. So here I got my answer as Joy. Now if I change my customer name to address, if I type address instead of customer name, then my answer will automatically change. That is here Joy, his address is Himachal Pradesh. Now if I change my address to order item, so here I got my answer as Kodak TV, which is true. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP and match function together. And now if I type only name instead of customer name, I will get my answer as NA, because here I need to type the exact heading as I have used in my data array. So here I need to type customer before name to get my answer. And also my spelling should be exact same as my data array. Here I didn't use S after U, so that is why I got my answer as NA. So if I type S, then my answer would change to Joy, which is true. Now if you want to copy and paste your data in rest of the cells, so here you need to freeze H column in your VLOOKUP formula, and your table array also you need to freeze, and in match formula you need to freeze your 5 row and your lookup array and then press enter. Now copy it and paste it in rest of the cells. So here I got my answer for rest of the cells. So this is how we can use VLOOKUP and match function very easily in Excel. Now if you don't want your customer name, address, order item, quantity, price and so on in different columns, we can add it in a single column only, that is here with the help of data validation. So simply put the cursor here and then go to data, and then from here select data validation, and from here I will select list, and in source select A4, select A4 to F4 and then press OK. So here I have got all my headings like customer name. So here if I want to find out my customer name, then I will type VLOOKUP, then my lookup value would be my order ID, that is in H column, and then here freeze H with the help of F4 key, or shift plus 4 key. Then my table array would be A4 to F44, and then now for column index number, here I will use match function. My lookup value is my customer's name, and then freeze it. Now next is my lookup array. So my lookup array is A4 to F4. Then freeze it with the help of F4 key, and then I will type 0 for exact match, and then close the bracket, then comma. So here I will type 0 for my VLOOKUP formula because I need exact match, and then press enter. So here I got my answer as Joy. Now if I change customer's name to address, so here I got addresses of all the customers whose order ID is these. Now if I change address to order item, then I will get the items ordered by these persons. Hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching.